Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Windows time not syncing step by step, so you can quickly correct your system clock and avoid errors. Now let's get started. Step 1, right-click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen and select Settings from the menu that appears. The Start menu gives you access to important system controls, and Settings is where you manage your device options. Opening Settings is important because it allows you to access time and date configuration. Step 2. In the Settings window, click on Time and Language to open the Date, Time, and Regional Settings section. This section is specifically designed to control your system clock, time zone, and language preferences. Accessing this area is necessary to fix syncing issues properly. Step 3. From the left-hand side options, click on Date and Time to access the date and time configuration settings. This page shows your current time, time zone, and synchronization options. It is important because this is where Windows manages automatic time updates. Step 4. Under the Date and Time settings, find the Synchronize Your Clock section and click on Sync Now to initiate an immediate synchronization with the time server. This option forces your computer to connect with the internet time server and update the correct time instantly. Using Sync now helps fix delays or errors in automatic time syncing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click.